Um, Today we are going to take a look at Chapter 2, Lesson 3. Starts on pages 56 to 61. I'm going to post this Google slide on your Google Classroom, and I just want you to go through, read through the Google slides, highlight in your book. It's all about graphing, the different types of graph, when to use the bar graph, when to use the line graph, when to use the circle graph, and the different types of data that you would use. I also would like for you to watch this video and pay attention through that. And then tomorrow in class, we are going to read through a lab that we're doing and talk about the pre-lab questions and possibly start the lab. So I am going to talk about the lab a little bit on here. And then I want you to start thinking about the pre-lab questions. And then tomorrow in class, we're actually going to do a little bit more with it. So just start thinking about it right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to do something with ramp. So we're going to stack books up and put a ramp, and we're going to slide something down the ramp. And then we're going to measure how far the item has rolled off of the ramp based on how many books we stack up and how high the ramp is. So we're going to be creating a graph. So your pre-lab questions are just, what is your independent variable? What is your dependent variable? And as we add more books, what do you think will happen to the distance of the cardboard tube and why? So those are your pre-lab questions. I will upload your procedure and everything like that on this Google Doc. And then I will also upload the pre-lab questions so you can start thinking about them. You don't need to answer them right now. We will answer them tomorrow, but I do want you to start thinking about them. As you go through this PowerPoint, I want you to highlight in your book as well. I don't know if I already said that. I'm sorry if I already did. But highlight in your book. Don't worry about answering the questions right now. But just highlight in your book, pay attention through the PowerPoint, watch the video. It will ask you as you go through if you think you should use a bar graph or a line graph. You guys have probably already used graphs before in math class. So this might just be a review for some of you. For some of you, it might be brand new, and that's perfectly fine. So just read through the PowerPoint, highlight in your book, watch the video, and read through the procedure and start thinking about those pre-lab questions. And then tomorrow in class, we will go over those questions again, kind of talk through them, work through them in class, and then we should start that lab tomorrow. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to email me or call Mrs. Cease. She is our remote learning helper for the day. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to give her a call or shoot me an email. All right, have a great day. See you tomorrow.